Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatma and I'm mother of Harim Bilal. She's in Pre-1 Eagle. I'm proud mother today because my daughter is graduating from Bloomfield Pre-1 and whole function was very well organized, very well oriented. So I'm very grateful to the whole team and especially all the teachers, and I'm thankful to Ma'am Shazia that she's coming with every year she is coming with new ideas. Like this year they were having this thing that they were sharing the interest and hobbies of different kids. That was brilliant and I enjoyed the whole program. So thank you so much, all the team, all the respected teacher, especially Ma'am Naveen. She's coordinator of my teacher and she always cooperating with us. And teacher Maida, who is my daughter's teacher, she is very cooperating and she is helping in all aspects. Even if I am asking anything at 12 o'clock in night, she's answering me. Whole team, whole Bloomfield Hall from Gujarat. I'm really proud that I'm part of it. Thank you so much. Thank you for news that they are coming here and they are taking this footage, all things, and we are grateful to them that they are giving us chance to talk to them. Thank you so much.